So, you guys start on the DMD case yet?
I haven't even read it. She haven't.
What about the econ problem set?
There's an econ problem set?
Yeah, it's due on Thursday.
God.
What's it like being on a core team with Jigsaw?
You know, really not as fun as I thought.
I don't know.
Jigsaw, what are you even working on?
I want to play a game.
Is it true that the Israel track sold out in 3 seconds last year?
No, 81 seconds, so you'll have plenty of time.
Wait, oh my god, my Wi-Fi isn't working.
Wait, mine neither.
Israel Trek sign-ups start in 27 seconds. All Wi-Fi in this room has been disabled and your cell phones have been destroyed. The only way to sign up before you get left out is to make your way to working Wi-Fi in E52. The passageway has been covered with the staplers I have stolen from the printer room over the last semester. If you want to dance on the tables in Tel Aviv, you must go now. Tread lightly. The clock is ticking, Veronica.
Another company presentation with AVP sandwiches. So
Yeah, but free food is the best. Oh, hey Jigsaw.
The sandwiches